Marketocracy app. The pros, the cons. Marketocracy is a platform blending stock trading with a fantasy investing community. But is it right for you? Starting with the pros. First, gamified learning. Users can practice trading in a competitive, points-based environment without risking real money. Second, performance tracking. The platform provides analytics on your trades and strategies, helping improve skills over time. Third, community interaction. You can compare performance with peers and learn from other investors' approaches. Now, the cons. One limitation is that real money investing is separate. Success in the fantasy environment doesn't always translate to actual financial gains. Another drawback is complexity for beginners. The gamified elements can feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. The surprising truth: most people learn faster through practice and competition. Marketocracy shows that simulated trading can sharpen skills and strategy understanding in a low-risk setting. In conclusion, the pros: gamified learning, analytics, and community interaction make Marketocracy ideal for aspiring investors who want practice before risking real capital. The cons: separation from real money and potential complexity suggest it's best paired with actual investing guidance.